Hello and welcome back to my channel Catalyst Classes. I am back with a new faculty recruitment video. The recent job opportunity is of a well-known government institute called NEERI from Mumbai. I suggest you to please like the video and share it with your friends and colleagues so that they get informed about the opening. So without any further ado, let's get started. The research associate or project associate position opening is from NEERI Mumbai branch. The opening comes with numerous other benefits and services. So let's get started. Yeah, so the advertisement number, it just posted yesterday, and the engagement of a project associate and scientific administrative assistants under sponsored projects. Applications are invited from the eligible and interested candidates for online interview for the following purely temporary positions of project associate and administrative assistant under sponsored grant in aid. So the title for the first vacancy is for sponsored grant in aid and consultancy projects at NEERI MZC Mumbai. So these are the abbreviations for the lower notification. So the first one is for project associate 2. The post code is P821, and the essential qualification is masters in environmental science with the minimum 70% or CGPA 7.75% from a recognized university and 2 years experience in environmental assessment, air, water, wastewater, noise, soil and EIA. Job description will be air, water, wastewater, soil quality and noise monitoring. Second is STP, ETP, CETP monitoring. Then is your EIA, sample collection and analysis, handling of scientific laboratory instrument, data analysis, report writing and scientific writing skills. Age limit should be 35 years and the monthly endowments are 35,000 per month plus HRA to scholars who are selected through NEERI or NET, CSIR, UGC, NET including lecturership or through GATE. Second is a selection process through national level examination conducted by central government department and their agencies or 28,000 per month plus HRA for whoever do not fall under the above category. So this shows that JRF or NET is not compulsory. You can apply and get selected without that too. So for the second position, post code 2 and MTech in environmental engineering with minimum 60% or 6.75 CGPA from a recognized university and 2 years experience in air quality or assessment, modeling or wastewater treatment STP design. The projects are same as above and the salary is same, that national eligibility test CSIR UGC NET people will get 35,000 and people who have selected through national level examination will be also given same money, and people who don't have any such category or any such examination qualified will be given 28,000 per month plus HRA. And post code 3 is BE or BTech in civil engineering with minimum 60% and CGPA 6.7 and 2 years post qualification experience in STP designing using AutoCAD. And for them ETP is not required, only designing of STPs, field work for project activities, sample collection and analysis, data analysis, report writing and scientific writing skills. Salary is again same, 35,000 per month plus HRA for NET, UGC, CSIR or GATE. And selection process, and for people who don't have the upper qualities or qualification, 28,000 per month plus HRA. Now the position has changed. So project associate for your post code PA1, MSc Environmental Science from recognized university with 70% or 7.75 CGPA. The project is baseline environmental status assessment for air, water, soil, solid waste and noise, sample collection and analysis of environmental samples, handling of scientific instruments for air, water, soil, noise quality monitoring, EIA and report writing. 35 years should be the age, minimum age, and the salary will be 31,000 per month plus HRA for the people who are selected through NET, CSIR, UGC or GATE. A selection process through national level examination conducted by central government will also be considered. or else rupees 25,000 per month plus HRA, people who do not fall in the above category. Now for scientific administrative assistant, BCom from a recognized university with minimum 65%, with sound knowledge of MS Office and post qualification experience of 22 years in similar work as mentioned in the job description. Description is of store inventory management. Second is to assist scientific staff with procurement of laboratory requirements, official letter drafting, administrative and secretarial task. Age limit will be 50 years and salary will be 18,000 plus HRA. Scientific Administrative Assistant, post code SAA2, BCom from recognized university with 65% marks, sound knowledge of MS Office. The job profile will be accounting work, processing of bills, data entry, etc., official letter drafting, administrative and secretarial task. Salary is 18,000 plus HRA. The selection process will be eligible and interested candidates, those who are willing to go and stay in field as per the project requirement may apply. Application form for particular position code can be filed online for particular position which is available on the CSIR NEERI website. I have quoted the website in the description box and I will show the application form in a bit. So it is very important to fill the application form very correctly to increase your chances of selection. After online submission of application, the last date is 10th November. The applicants are requested to note down their application number. The applicant needs to send the hard copy of the online generated application form in PDF format along with self-attested scanned copies of original document, educational qualification, age proof, proof of experience through speed post or courier by 16th November to Scientist and Head, CSIR NEERI, Mumbai Zonal Center, 89/B, Dr. N.A. Besant Road, Worli, Mumbai. And photograph should also be pasted on the hard copy of the application. There will be result declared and the people who are selected will be called. And there will be a screening committee with the shortlisted candidate, the date of interview, interview link, everything will be sent through mail. And then you will have to be present for the online interview. The engagement shall not be an appointment in CSIR NEERI, temporary or otherwise. It would therefore not confer any right or claim. So upon selection, empanelment, the original documents including eligibility, qualification, age, experience and relaxation will be verified. If any discrepancy found, the selection empanelment will be cancelled. So the notice the candidature of candidates do not send self-attested copies of the original document along with the online generated application form shall be summarily rejected. No interim inquiries will be entertained in this regard. So now let's move to the application form. I have quoted the link below. You can check out. So this is the form where you will be selecting your notification number, which notification we have this you will be selecting MZC notification assistant level, whichever position suits you. Please fill area or discipline, whatever. Full name, date of birth, age, category, gender, address, your qualifications, highest, high school, graduation, post-grad, doctorate with subject, board, year of passing, percentage, which exam qualified and the year of qualification, your experience, and if any close relative found in NEERI or CSIR, so you can mention their name, designation and relationship. And so yeah, this is the complete thing that you will be sending as a mail and as a hard copy, and the last date is 10th of November. So I hope you like this video and please share it with the people who need it, because opportunities in environmental science are quite low. Also, people have not given net from last 1 year, so opportunities are really required. So please send it to people who really need it. It is a very good opportunity getting associated with a government institute with such beautiful background. NEERI is a very premier institute when it comes to research and scientific scholar batches. So yeah, thank you so much and see you in the next video.